Fear of judgment can make even small posts feel intimidating, keeping your ideas and expertise from reaching the people who need them most. One simple way to get started is by drafting a short post and sharing it without overthinking. I'll show you how I do it in Google Docs. I just drafted a quick two-sentence post in Google Docs about something I learned this week. You can pause the video and do the same. The idea is to post without over editing, and even small, imperfect posts help you get comfortable sharing your ideas. Practicing this repeatedly trains your mind to stop overthinking and act confidently. That's what the Confidence Challenge helps with. Guided exercises to overcome fear of judgment, plus strategies to consistently share your voice online. Plus, you get email or ad templates to launch with, and access to endless free traffic from social media so you can take that confidence and turn it into real world results. It's just $7 to start, beginner friendly, and you can begin today. Click the link below and start posting online confidently without overthinking.